Run-up commencing on all 6 engines.
Systems check complete. Thrust verified at 90%.
Ground crew confirming all clear for departure.
Roger that. Heavy Antonov, wind 290 at 5, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff.
This monumental aircraft has once again pushed the boundaries of aviation. We are awaiting final confirmation of the new payload.
Bring the ambulance up slowly.
Pallet 3 is secure. Check the straps on the left.
Clear to move.
Behold the Antonov An-225, the largest aircraft ever.
The load distribution on the center wing box seems high in this simulation.
Yes, the thermal stresses are exceeding the limit. Tags verified, ready for storage.
Check the alignment on section 7.
Tolerances are holding steady. We are cleared to continue.
Readings confirmed. We have 180 degrees and 7 bar. Proceed with door closure.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Roger that. Log the results.
Check alignment data on Sector 3.
Reading stable at point 01, proceeding with sequence.
All fittings secured on the main line. Ready to pressurize.
Roger that.
Initiating flow test sequence.
Diagnostics complete on auxiliary power.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
This red wire seems slightly loose right here. The reading on panel 4 is fluctuating.
Noted. Keep the tension steady.
We have stable airflow across all sections.
Verified. Looking good from here.
The massive fuselage requires paint.
Ground power is stable. Looking good.
Ground crew confirming all clear for departure.
Roger that. Heavy Antonov, wind 290 at 5, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff.
Suspended by the 100-ton crane, the massive turbofan engine must be aligned with millimeter precision to the wing pylon. Gauge is reading nominal pressure.
All systems green, ready for next sequence.
Run-up commencing on all 6 engines.
Systems check complete. Thrust verified at 90%.
Temperatures look good across the board.
Copy that. Proceeding with the high-speed segment.
Aileron sweep.
All systems green.
Structural loads holding steady at green levels.
Engine parameters nominal, climb rate confirmed.
Copy that. Trajectory stable.
Data telemetry confirms structural integrity at maximum load.
Green light on performance verification.
Input sequence commencing, surface response check.
Flight controls check. Data looks nominal.
Aileron sweep, full deflection.
Fuel flow metrics are stable across all engines.
Confirmed. We are maintaining optimal efficiency.
Checklist item G, verify fuel pressure.
Fuel pressure stable, crossover valve closed.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to step H.
The data transfer is complete. Look here, the actuator readings are slightly elevated.
Yes, but still within the acceptable margin. We can clear it for the next leg.
Load distribution confirmed. We have green status.
Roger that. Securing final instructions now.
Stress levels at the wing roots are acceptable within the current payload.
Confirmed. The center of gravity remains optimized.
The final torque stress levels holding steady at 9,500 psi.
Vibration analysis is nominal across all points. We are clear for continued cruise.
All checklists are complete, and the flight test data is verified.
Very well. The aircraft is cleared for the certificate of airworthiness.
Lift sequence initiated. Secure the forward latches now.
Confirmed. Forward latches secured.
We need to reroute south of the weather system near the Azores.
That adds 2 hours flight time. Are we still within the fuel limit?
Yes, but closely. We should monitor the winds.
All right, team, keep it steady. Slowing the winches now. Confirm green on the alignment, over.
Ground crew confirming all clear for departure.
Roger that. Heavy Antonov, wind 290 at 5, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff.
Keep the pressure steady on the rollers.
Clear on this side. Slowing descent now.
The diagnostic scan on the strut assembly is complete.
Readings confirm structural integrity. We are clear for the next phase. This monumental aircraft has once again pushed the boundaries of aviation. We are awaiting final confirmation of the new payload.
A symbol of engineering prowess, the McCreeria continues its legacy, watched over by its dedicated crew.
If you cross-reference this section of the blueprint with the 3D model, the structural assembly sequence becomes much clearer.
Payload capacity confirmed. It truly is an engineering marvel.
Indeed. 6 world records on a single flight.
Flaps are set for landing. Check your airspeed descent rate.
Airspeed stabilizing at 250, coming up on the glide slope. In a facility this advanced, precision is everything. Our digital tracking ensures every component.
Bring the ambulance up slowly.
Pallet 3 is secure. Check the straps on the left.
Clear to move.
This timeline is showing a critical delay near the Suez. We need an immediate reroute.
What about this polar passage? It could save us 12 hours.
The fatigue analysis on the landing gear suggests we prioritize replacement parts for this section first.
I concur. The digital overlay highlights the microfractures perfectly.
The An-225 structural design allows for immense payload capacity. But scaling that up requires lighter...
Standing before the
enduring legacy of the world's largest aircraft.